REDWELD Welding Simulator. Enter the username on the first screen. Coupons, thickness and material selections are made. Electric arc welding, gas arc welding, flux cord wire arc welding and TIG welding can be selected. The system uses torches with real weight and structure. Gas torch, TIG torch and arc welding pliers are available. Electrode type and its diameter are selected on this screen. Then, height, position and rotation of the part are adjusted. The welding environment is selected. Amperage is set and polarity is selected. In this screen, the welding direction, welding technique and the hand to be used are selected. Welding evaluation parameters can be set automatically or manually. This screen is called Analysis Screen. Speed, distance, angle and guidance line aids can be turned on in the Help section. This screen is the VR screen. What the user sees on the virtual reality headset is displayed on this screen. In order to start welding, firstly the tip of the electrode is touched the part.
Keep your hands back. Push down.
The button on the right is used to remove the weld spatter.
Push down. Keep your hands back.
On this screen, data is analyzed graphically and numerically. The performed weld and its data are scored and the welding errors are shown in percentages. Graphs can be plotted individually or all at the same time. A graph within the two white lines indicates that the data is good. Data crossing the upper white line indicates that the data is exceeding the optimum value. Data below the lower white line indicates that the data is less than the optimum value. The video footage of the welding can be watched again. The video can be paused at the desired point and that point can be evaluated in detail. Let's go back to the main screen to choose a different welding method. Let's choose gas welding. Select the welding wire material and its diameter on this screen. In this screen, gas mixture and flow rate are selected. Choose welding wire feed speed, amperage, volt values and polarity.
Analiz ekranında.
Welding is started by pressing the button on the torch.
Slow down.
Data is analyzed. Return to the main screen to select a different welding method. TIG welding is selected. Feeding wire material, feeding wire diameter, electrode diameter are selected. Gas mixture and flow rate are adjusted. Press the button on the torch to start welding. Feeding wire is immersed in the welding pool.
Slow down. Slow down. Push down. Keep your hand back.
In the part view screen, the part can be displayed at the desired angle.